Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a Boxycharm Creamy unboxing. I have my box here. It's kind of damaged, so I did peek inside to make sure nothing was broken, but other than that, it's good. We're going to go ahead and get started unboxing. This is a $35 a month charge in addition to the regular subscription. So it is September, and I did get this in the mail a couple days ago. I just been waiting to film it. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. So the first item I have, I do have variation number 13, but the first thing I have is the Marc Jacobs Youthquake, and this is an item that I chose. This was my choice item, and it is a hydrofull retexturizing gel cream, like moisturizer, and it's a huge bottle. Can I open it? Nope. There we go. So I'm really excited to get this. Let's see. It smells nice, and it's just yellow. It's thicker cream. Let's see if I can put some on my hand. That's what it looks like. And it's really soft, like any other kind of moisturizer. It has a scent, but it's not strong. It smells nice and pretty. The next thing I have is this Emma Harding Brilliance Face Oil. I don't know if you can see it. And it says, new active, lightweight, dry, nourishing facial oil complex, including 9 essential oils of palm rose, orange, mint, vanilla, geranium, chamomile, lemon, rose, lavender, and omega-3, which all help to increase moisture levels and elasticity, as well as balancing the skin. Gold of Pleasure oil contains powerful antioxidant properties to protect the skin from environmental damage. So it's a big bottle, like it's a decent size compared to my hand. It's literally, this is pretty decent. I'm just going to put it on top of my hand just to show you guys what the texture is. Put 2 drops. There we go. 2 drops. And it's a fairly runny texture because it's oil. And it feels really nice. It's not too thick. And it smells like lemongrass. Am I supposed to use this before or after? Warm a few drops of Brilliance facial oil between your hands and smooth over a cleansed face and neck primarily at night for maximum effect. For maximum benefit, use as an overnight treatment. Okay. Oh, duh. It says it right there. Overnight treatment. Increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, balances the skin, antioxidant protection. So that's cool. I'm really happy to get that. Can always use a little bit of cream or something for my face because I am 33, so it's good. The next thing I have is this Milk Makeup Kush lip scrub. I think it's backwards. I hope it's not backwards, but let's go ahead and open her up. And I like the packaging. It's like a little triangle. It's super cute. It's different. It's not the usual thing you see. And it says, conditioning exfoliating lip scrub made with natural sugar crystals and hemp stem exfoliators. Okay, this thing is really difficult to open. And this is it. It's just like this, and it's got a magnetic lid. I'm gonna go ahead. My hands are kind of oily, so it's kind of hard to push this up. It's a twist cap, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put some on just to see what it feels like. It's really soft on my hand. It smells like peppermint. It's really soft. I don't even feel like it's scrubbing my lips. We're going to go on to the next item, which is this ice roller by Kush ice roller. It says ice roll is your new at-home facial made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. Helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. So I assume you just stick this in the fridge and then just put it over your face when you're doing like a mask or something. I mean, cool. It feels nice. It's nice and heavy. It's weighted. Oh, that's cold. It's cold in the room I'm filming in because I left the windows open, and I'm in Michigan, so it's been getting really cold lately. I mean, that's kind of cool. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if I'll use it that much because I still have this one. And I kind of don't even use this. So, like, it's like kind of the same thing to me. I'm not sure if I'll really use it. I'll probably use it a couple times. But to be honest, like, I already have the jade roller. So do I really need another roller? But it's nice to try out, I guess. I'll just stick it with my other facial tools and hopefully remember. But it did feel nice. My skin feels really cool now. Next thing I have is the Eloise the Queen palette, which I'm really excited to get because it's super pretty. And it says the queen lies in all of us. And this is the palette. It's super pretty. It's got so many different colors. I'm not the biggest fan of a lot of colors, but I think it... Oh, hit myself in the mouth. I think it's really nice to have a palette with a lot of colors. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a couple of these. Like, some of these colors I probably will use on the daily. Like this pink, I think Sheba, excuse me. Oh, they're named after queens. That's kind of cute. Sheba, this Your Highness color, this reddish. I'll probably use that quite often. Jewels, that's nice. This blue is super pretty. I won't use that often, maybe once in a while, but I think they're very beautiful colors. And it's nice to have a palette that has that. Let me see. I'm going to swatch a couple. Oh my gosh. They swatch so wonderfully. It's so smooth. See, those are some of the colors. Look how beautiful they are. They just swatch so wonderfully. They're so smooth and soft. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. And then the last thing I have in my box is this Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner, which, I don't know, I'm kind of weird eyeliners. I don't really like this kind of eyeliner because I don't really use them. Like, I mean, I'll try to use it, but it's nice. It's super super soft. And it smudges wonderfully, but I don't really smudge liner on my eyes. I usually just stick to like gel liner or felt tip liners. I'm glad it's black though, because I don't like colorful liners at all. I stick to neutrals pretty much. So that's it for my Boxycharm Premium box. This box is, I think, $35 a month. So the retail value of my box was $222, which I think is great because, I mean, yeah, I'm not like, I don't love every product, but I think I will get a lot of use out of it, and I did get my money's worth. Like, I will use these products, like, so I will give this box 4 out of 5 stars because it is still a really good box. Like, I will use this daily. I'm using it right now, and it feels really nice. It smells like peppermint. I can feel the peppermint on my lips. This, actually, I'll give it a 4.5 out of 5 stars because while I don't like these kind of liners, these smudgy type of liners, I will get some use out of it. And it is a really good brand. It's a brand I trust. It's Stila. And this oil I will use nightly. So, or every other night or something. Hopefully it doesn't break me out. And I really do like getting skincare. And then this I chose for myself. So, I really like that. So that's it. That's all I got. Thank you for watching my video. Go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Yeah, thanks for watching.